In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten Microsoft Forms URL. If you've ever tried to share a form and the link looked way too long for an email, a document, or a social post, this walkthrough will show you the built-in way to make that link neat and compact right inside Microsoft Forms. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll see options to work with forms and quizzes. The shortening feature works the same for both, so pick whichever matches what you're sending out. For this demonstration, we'll use a quiz so you can follow along easily. Open the quiz you want to share. In the example, we're opening an animal quiz. It doesn't matter which form it is, the key is that you're inside the form or quiz editor where you can see your questions and settings along the top. At the top of the screen, look for the option labeled Collect Responses. It's typically positioned in the upper area of the interface and is the place you go whenever you want to distribute your form. Click that to open the sharing panel. In the panel that appears, you'll see your shareable link along with a few options that control how people access it. This is also where Microsoft Forms lets you create a shorter link. Look for the setting labeled Shorten URL. Depending on your interface, it may appear as a toggle or a checkbox. Click Shorten URL. As soon as you turn it on, Microsoft Forms will generate a more compact version of your link. This shorter link is easier to read, takes up less space in messages, and looks cleaner when you paste it into chats, documents, and slides. With the shortened link displayed, click Copy Link. That places the short URL on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need: email, a calendar invite, a team chat, or a social post. If you're preparing materials for an event or a class, you can also paste it into a slide or handout so participants can access it quickly. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you're sharing broadly, make sure the access setting above the link fits your audience, such as allowing anyone with the link to respond or limiting it to your organization. Also, if you change your mind, you can switch Shorten URL off at any time and the original full link will reappear. And that's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Collect Responses, turn on Shorten URL, and copy the link. You're ready to share a clean, professional-looking URL in just a few clicks.